Okay. Hey everyone. Just wanted to make this super quick. I know many people are asking so many different things, so I thought maybe I'll just come for a live for some time. Not necessarily it will be half an hour. It could be 10-minute max, but we will just talk and I will leave soon. So I'm gonna start. Let me know if the audio is working. My mic is having some problem. That is why I'm using my laptop built-in microphone. So I don't know if the sound is very clear. But few things here. SPRT. This is the one we that we got in um, Friday end of the day around 8.8. Today it went all the way to 9.8. So it was a solid trade. We got out, and still I'm getting in because if you look here, you can see that there is a high of around 9.5, 9.6. So if we can go over that, I think it will go around $10. So again, keep an eye. The short interest is over 65%, I believe. So almost each and every day we go in and go out and we make money. If you look at the chart, it goes up then comes down, same thing, goes up comes down. So it's a very good one, right? So this is SPRT. We also talked about Pfizer because we ended after our Friday, we entered and it was good. So anyway, those are some good winning trade. So I'm gonna start with Mara. Should be up because today, like every Bitcoin miner, they are up because Bitcoin is doing really good. So Tanvir, this is Mara for you. So have a look. It's a perfect play because these are the support resistance I had, the black lines from previous one, and you can see that they are doing really great because it had a top around 36 and it was rejected last time, and today you see it open from 35, went to 39, almost came down, but again it bounced off that 36. So going forward, if it comes to 36, definitely this is a good one you can consider. Now instead of 5 minutes, I'm just going back to 1 hour because I want to draw some other lines just to see that the top. Where is the top? Okay, because it was on a downtrend for so long, so it makes sense. I'm not going to look at the RSI. I'm just looking at what's happening. And we predicted last night because Bitcoin was over 50,000 for the first time after some many weeks. So it was predicted everything will run. So today, EBON, Mara, FTFT, everything was doing really good. So clearly, Tanvir, I see a resistance around 38.25, which comes from April, this area. You see so many noise here. So 38.2 today is good that we went over 38.2 and we went around 38.7, which is good, but it will be a resistance, I think, if it starts going higher. I also see some kind of area around 40 maybe. Looking at the hourly chart, it looks like it's really going up. So are you already in? Because this thing ran up already and cooling off now, and this is the daily chart. I'm just looking at the daily chart now. So on a daily chart, it is doing good, and not only for this one, I think most of the Bitcoin miners, they are doing good, and then on an overall uptrend you can see going up and up. It's a zigzag, so maybe it will come back again. If you're doing day trading or swing trading, maybe make sure you lock your profit, because on a RSI you can see daily RSI, it is really up. The RSI is going upward, is around 69. It might run a little bit, might go and hit 40, but I think it will come down if the pattern is working. So you see the pattern, it goes up then comes down sideways, goes up, comes down, goes up. Hopefully it will come down again, maybe around 36, then again there will be another push. So again, if you're long, that is one other thing, but if you're thinking just for a quick scalping or day trade, and this is what I'm thinking, it needs to cool off. So this is Mara. Okay, JP, hey James, ALYI. So this is a play we played previously, and I know like you did really good with this one. And even though I'm out, I sold my position, but wow, so many lines. So I will get rid of these lines just to make it clear for now. So again, anyone who is not on ALYI, this is the electric motorbike company in Africa, and it does really good. And on JP here, we entered I think together around 30 cent, not 33 cent. So from 3 cent it went all the way to 20. It came down. So again, it's a good trade on a daily basis. Even from here, from 3 cent, you can go to 6 cent, and it is coming down and down. And currently it is sitting at a nice level, which is my previous support, which is around 20, not 20, 2.1 cent. And you see here that 2.1 is coming from this area, and last time here sometime in January it was a support, and again it is sitting on that support. But overall, if I say, the downtrend is still intact, right? It is just going down, right? So still you can't say like things have reversed. Maybe you're doing a day trade or swing trade, maybe it's good, but on a trend you can see it has been going down. And also look at the daily volume. The volume is dying. You see the big volume bars here, right? And now the volume is dying. So that is one thing. In case the current 2.1 support is broken, I think it will go even lower. Maybe it will come back around 1 cent, and maybe that would be a good area, 1 cent, because for so many days it moves sideways around 1 cent. So if you are long, then maybe just wait in case it comes to 1 cent. Otherwise, I think if you're planning to establish a position, maybe if it comes down around 1.5 or 1 cent, get in, because the downside is really less. From 1 cent, how far it can go down, right? On the other hand, if there is any good news or any kind of good PR, this thing runs a lot. You see in one day it goes 50%. So again, I'm out for now, but I'm just thinking. PMCV, I alerted last night and this morning about PMCV. I didn't check. Mike, let me check, because I know $5 share offering. Ooh, okay, so many lines. PMCV. So if you do not know, like I think last week we played so many lines. Okay, maybe I'll just get rid of the lines. So it was doing really good. It was doing really good. Last week it went and hit around 9.68, those lines, and they did a share offering. The offering was around $5. So not bad. It was around $5 a piece, but the share price dropped to 4.1. It found a floor around 3.4, and still you see there is a big gap. And you know I like gaps. So what I'm thinking, right? So last night I alerted, I said, okay, maybe this is a good support around 3.4. So in case you entered around 3.4, you should be up by 13%, which is really great. I'm not playing it today because I was busy with SPRT. But if you believe that it will go up, because the share price was around $5 and the current price was 3.8, then there could be some place. One play could be from here, even at least it will go around 4.2, because you can see 4.2 here. And if it goes over 4.5, maybe it can go towards $5. But there is a big gap here, right? From $6, it came all the way. So you can do few things. If it comes below, maybe you can get in again, because the offering will close today. So if the offering is successfully closed, maybe there will be more buyer, people will come. Or if it comes down, so few places could be just you are waiting for a pullback to 3.35. One thing could be you believe that it will go up, then you go up now. Or you want more confirmation, I would say in that case wait for a break of 4.4, because once you see there is more buying power, more volume, then after 4.4 this thing will try to close the gap. In that case, at least it can go towards $5 or $6. This is what I'm thinking. I see a new member here. Oh, okay, thank you, Ron. Thanks for joining. And anyone new here, whoever is my YouTube community member or some others, this weekend I opened a Patreon for the first time, because you know, like we have a Discord now, so we can give live notifications. So you give instant notification, you can also chat with me. So that is why I have the Patreon, because Patreon and Discord, they work together. That is the beauty of this one. So many who are in YouTube, they also joined on the Patreon just because of the better things. And for the early members, there is a capacity. I think I opened for 25 already. Within one day, half is gone, and it is very cheap, $6 per month. Also, we got some formal Patreon, and also we got some VIP. I'm so thrilled to see I got some VIP. I never expected, but I got some VIP members. So anyway, If you're planning for Discord or Patreon, this kind of thing, you can always join. Otherwise, you can always join my YouTube community. You can become a member. Same notification you will get in YouTube. The only thing Discord I like, you can chat. It's more instant to your phone. So anyway, Ron, thank you so much for joining. Mara, okay, Tanvir, Mara, I have in my long term, but was thinking of getting in my swing. I think Tanvir, while you are like long term, this is okay if you make a swing. It's, rinse and repeat. I know many people about PLTR, right? They are long, they believe this particular one, but I don't see any problem. Just want to show you the PLTR chart. And one of my friend, he was long PLTR and said, I won't touch 5 years. And I was saying why? Because if you just look at the chart, it comes to 20, it goes to 27.5, then again it comes back to 20, again it goes up. So there is nothing wrong if you're just doing so like once it goes there, it fails to break the resistance, then it comes down, you save some money. If you really love PLTR or your stock, then use the money when it comes back. In that case, you can buy more share. There is nothing wrong if you do swing trade. So yeah, so Mara is a good one. As long Bitcoin will rise, Mara will love. And out of the Bitcoin miners, people like Mara more because I think their future is better because they have more mining machine. Anyway, let's look at MMAT. I know it was up 14% today. Yeah, I see a big candle here. So MMAT, this is such a thing. It's very hard to predict. It had a floor around 3.5, then came down. I was saying it might come back to 2.7. I was really close because it was 2.8, very, very close. Now, should I be happy? I don't know because I'm not playing with this particular one, but today you see some volume is coming. Is there any news? I don't know. There is no news, but it is going really good. This is the hourly chart for last back-to-back hours. You can see for last 4 hours, right? So this is doing really good. I see volume, I see going up. And when I look at the 5-minute chart, I recently gave an alert because of this, and it's working. So in my last alert, if you notice, I said if it breaks 3.3, it will go towards 3.5. That will be a super scalp. And same thing happened. It broke 3.3 and it is going higher. Not necessarily it will go 3.5, but it can be 3.4, 3.45. Actually, it went to 3.44, so not bad. So again, I'm not long on MMAT because this thing I do not know. The only thing I would say, wait for this. If you want to average down, just let it come back to 2.8, 2.7. Otherwise, just hold. And there is no news. I saw some YouTube people are saying that the what's called the dividend, it will come end of the year anytime. So we do not know when, but it goes up and down, up and down. I'm really hesitant to go long on this particular one, but for a day trade or swing trade, this is really a good one, right? You see it is up by 14% today, and nice one. So it might go to 3.5, and after 3.5 I see some areas around 3.7 because it was rejected multiple times, 3.7. And if it goes over 4, it has more. But I think if you see the chart, right, let's look at a bigger picture. If you're long, I do not want to disappoint you, but if you look at the chart, right, so the two black line, it has been going down. Whether you like it or don't like it, this is what is happening, right? So these two blue line are the downward trend. Within the trend, you can make day trading or swing trading, but it has been going up and down, up and down. So is it the time? I don't know. If it goes over 3.5 and you see the trend is reversing, maybe it will go up and up. So anyway, this is my thought. So MMAT, I'm not playing, but overall today is a nice day. We are doing good trade. CLSK, the other one I alerted last time, I was talking about 10.7 is a good floor, and from 10.7 it is up almost 20% today. So that's a good one. Then MMAT is up 18%. He must be happy, whoever is holding. Then we have SPRT, and oh wow, this is really doing good because I took some profit on SPRT. This morning I went Friday 8.8, I entered, I sold around 9.4, but you see it has been holding the floor at $9 now, so hopefully 9 would be the new floor. and currently it is 9.7. High of the day is 9.8. I'm thinking it might go around $10, 10.1. So I will get out around $10 because this is for my day trading. I'm holding in case if it can go. I won't sell for a loss, because if you look at the chart, look at the chart for SPRT. I'm gonna close the stream very soon. I think I'm done. This is the blue line here, and you can see how SPRT has been going up. This is what I'm looking at SPRT. It has a very high short interest, more than 60%. So that once it goes that certain threshold around 10.5, 11, I think this thing will go towards 15, 16. Who knows? It's a good one. I am holding. We made good profit, and I'm holding. Anyway, I'm gonna close the stream. It's a market hour. I do not want to talk a lot, but anyway, thanks for joining, and hopefully we will make lots of money today. Take care. Bye bye.